In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a photo in Photoshop quickly and easily. This is one of those simple edits that can make your images look much more polished. Whether you're creating thumbnails, social media posts, product photos, or portfolio images. The good news is that Photoshop has a built-in tool that lets you add a clean border around your photo in just a few clicks. No plugins, no complicated layers, and no advanced editing skills required. I'll walk you through the fastest method step by step so you can do it in seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into Photoshop and get started. First, open your image inside Adobe Photoshop. Once your photo is open and selected, the first step is to select the entire image. To do this, go to the top menu and click on Select, then choose All. You can also use the keyboard's shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. When you do this, you'll see marching ants appear around the edges of your image, which means the entire canvas is now selected. This selection tells Photoshop exactly where we want to apply our border effect. Once the whole image is selected, move to the next step. Now go to the top menu again and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Stroke. The stroke tool is what Photoshop uses to create borders or outlines around selections. As soon as you click stroke, a new settings window will appear. This is where we'll customize the look of our border. Don't worry, there are only a few settings we need to adjust. First, look for the width option. This controls how thick your border will be. If you want a thin border, you can try something like 5 or 10 pixels. If you want a thicker border that stands out more, you might increase it to 20 pixels or even higher, depending on your image size. Next, choose the color for your border. Click the color box and pick any color you want. White borders are very popular for photos, especially for social media and galleries, but you can choose black, brand colors, or any color that fits your design. After selecting your color, move down to the location setting. This part is important. Make sure you set the location to inside. Choosing inside ensures that the border appears neatly within the edge of your image instead of expanding outward or cutting into the photo unevenly. Once your width, color, and location are set, simply click OK. Photoshop will instantly apply the border around your photo, and just like that, your image now has a clean border applied to it. If you want to experiment, you can undo the step and try different border widths or colors until you find the style that works best for your image. This method is perfect for creating framed images, improving thumbnails, or making your photos stand out on websites and social media. And that's how you quickly add a border to a photo in Photoshop using the built-in stroke tool. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.